friends, thanks for stopping by. This is Unitman right here and you are watching ONS Study Circle. Friends, in this video we are going to learn about QuickBooks. In this video we are going to engage in a classic conversation between Mr. A and Mr. B. So let's get started with the video. Friends, before starting the video, I will request you to subscribe this channel ONS Study Circle and please leave your comments below and hit the like button. Hello friends, let us welcome two persons here, Mr. A and Mr. B. Mr. A is running a business and he is already using QuickBooks. On the other side, Mr. B is opening his new business and he wants to know about QuickBooks. Mr. A is a friend of Mr. B, so he is going to explain the QuickBooks to Mr. B and also will be giving the answers of his questions. So let us look inside. Hello, how are you, my friend? I'm glad I came to know that you are opening a new business. So I am here to explain you about QuickBooks as I know you need the knowledge of QuickBooks. Yes, I want to know about QuickBooks. Please let me know about it. Let's start the conversation about it. Okay, let's go. First of all, please let me know why we use finance softwares in business. Finance softwares are there to make accounting easier and more reliable. And also QuickBooks is an easy program to use. Yes, I heard about QuickBooks. What is it? QuickBooks is an accounting software developed by Intuit. It is for small and medium-sized businesses. Businesses use it to manage sales and expenses and keep track of daily transactions. Is it a cloud-based online software or a complete offline package? There are several versions of QuickBooks. It has desktop version as well as cloud-based version, which is called QuickBooks Online. Oh, QuickBooks have several versions. Can you name a few? Yes, there you go. QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, QuickBooks Self-Employed, QuickBooks Mac. Which one you like and do you recommend? I would recommend QuickBooks Online. Is it a paid version or free? QuickBooks Online offers a free trial of 30 days. After the trial, you will have to pay to access the premium membership. What it offers? It offers a wide range of features with its online subscription as well as unlimited cloud storage. That's great. Please let me know the benefits of using it. Yes, of course. Listen carefully. You can manage sales and income in QuickBooks by creating invoices to track sales by customers. QuickBooks automatically keeps track of your bills and expenses by connecting your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks. By managing all of your cash inflow and outflow activities in QuickBooks, you are able to access several reports that provide valuable insights into your business. QuickBooks has its own payroll function that can automatically calculate and run payroll as often as you need it. If you need to keep track of the inventory sales such as on-hand amounts and unit costs, QuickBooks will automatically track and update this for you. One of the best ways to improve your cash flow is to offer customers the option to pay their invoices online. With QuickBooks, you can add the Intuit Payments feature with a simple click a button option. It's look like a complete package. Yes, there are also some shortcuts like if you use Chrome or Firefox in QuickBooks Online. Ctrl plus Alt plus H is equal to help. Ctrl plus Alt plus I is equal to invoice. Ctrl plus Alt plus R is equal to receive payments. Ctrl plus Alt plus X is equal to expense. Ctrl plus Alt plus L is equal to lists. Ctrl plus Alt plus A is equal to accounts. Ctrl plus Alt plus C is equal to customers. Ctrl plus Alt plus V is equal to vendors. Ctrl plus Alt plus F is equal to search transactions. I am impressed. So will you use it? Yes, definitely. Let's go for a ride. Okay, let's go.